Hello, what's up guys? In this video, I'll show you how to record your screen using Camtasia recorder. So for this, you need to install your Camtasia. Right now you can see if you try to open up your Camtasia, okay, if you open any kind of project, you can see there is a record option here. So if you click on this, you will be able to see something like this capture option. Okay, now let me show you, in case if you just open up Camtasia at the very first time. Let me show you how it's look like. Now you can see if you open up Camtasia, you will be see just like that or something like that. Now you can see new recording, you can also click on that. Okay, now you can see same thing appear. So yep, and I can see that these are the things you can you need to do adjust before you getting started, because there are some basic things we need to set up. Now you can see the screen, it's very important, so you need to turn this screen on. Now you can see that screen, you can select full screen. So if you want to select your full screen, you can select these two screen. Right now if you want to choose a custom region, so click on that. Now you can see if you want to custom region, okay, so you can click and okay, select the region which you want to select. Okay, just like that. So this is the region I've selected, but I'm not going to do that because I want to select my entire screen. And if you want to set this to wide screen, you can select 1080p, and otherwise you can select 720p resolution. But if you select 720p, you can see the region will be automatically selected just like that. Okay, but I suggest you, if you are recording your screen entire screen, you should select screen 1. Okay, now you can see microphone, USB camera. So if you want to turn this USB camera on, you can also do that. I'm not going to do that. Now you can see microphone, so you need to click on that. Now you can see these are the all input device, but among all these three device, microphone, audio 2.0, this is my main mic. From this mic I'm actually right now giving my voiceover, right? You can select, so you need to also turn this on. And here you can see system audio. Okay, so you need to turn this on if you want to keep system audio, but if you don't want to hear system audio or don't want to record system audio, you can turn this off. Now you can see everything is good to go. Now if you want to record anything, just simply click on record. Now you can see that it's it will just take 3 seconds to start the recording. Now you can see the recording is started. So this thing, it won't be recorded if you record using your Camtasia. So you can minimize this bar as well. Now you can do whatever you want. You can record, you might record your gameplay, you might record any kind of tutorial you want, just what I'm doing right now. You can do just your essential thing. Now after doing everything, just click on that recorder icon, you can see, and here you can see if you want to pause, you can click on pause, and if you want to restart, you can also select that, right? And if you want to resume the video, you can also click on that resume. Now when you think that your recording is done and you are good to go, now you can see stop icon, click on that. Now you can see Camtasia is opening. So yeah, our recording is done actually. Now you can see that this is the recording automatically. Okay, it's opened with a new project. But if you see that you cannot to find your recording, but you have successfully stopped and recorded everything, you can find your recording in your documents folder, okay, or wherever you have saved your default folder of Camtasia. So let's suppose in my documents Camtasia, and I'm scrolling down. Now you can see these are all the recordings, right? So now what time it is? It's 2:23 a.m. right? Now you can see 2:22 a.m. and this is their recording. Okay, it's done actually right now. So you can select and you can drag the recording to your Camtasia, and you can see this is the recording. So in this way you'll be able to record your screen in Camtasia.